Hello everyone. So today I have write a code for check both strings are anagram or not. So write both strings are anagram or not. So let's tell me. So what is a anagram? So anagram is a word which formed by rearranging the letters of different word. Like only rearranging, like first letter I have a Priti and make a new word using only this letters, like but rearranging are different, letters placed are different. So like I T P R I. So here P is also one time, R is one times, I is two times, I is two times, and T is one time. So this is it returns a true because it is an anagram. If I add one more things here, like one A is there, so it returns not anagram because A is not present in the string one value. So how can we write a code for this in JavaScript? So there are two ways we can write a code for this. So firstly, method first. We explore method first. Method 1. So conditions are first step is step 1 is convert both strings in uppercase as well as lowercase, because case of the letters does not affect the comparison. So convert both strings are strings to uppercase or lowercase. Step 2 is check length of both strings. Step 3 firstly split the strings, after that sort the strings, then join both strings. Join strings for both. After that, last step is step 4 is compare both. If it is same, return true. Otherwise false. Okay. So write a function for that. Function is anagram str1 and str2. So first condition is convert both strings in uppercase or lowercase. So let str1 equals to new str1 equals to str1 dot to lowercase. Let new str2 equals to str2 dot to lowercase. Okay, check length. If new str1 dot length is not equals to new str2 dot length, then return false. After that, split, sort and join. So let firstly str1 equals to new str dot split, then sort and join, and new str2 equals to new str2 dot split dot sort dot join. So let's check console dot log new str1 and new str2. How can we check? Console.log. Here we pass two string. First string is hello and second string is double LEOH. Okay, so it is anagram. Let's check. Oh. Here I can't see. So how is it? So both are same. Let's check. Return USTR1 is equals to USTR2. If both are same, it returns true. Otherwise, because comparison operator returns true or false. That's why. Let's check. Two lowercase. Two lowercase. Okay. So it is true. Here we add D, one more. So, and we check, it is false. So this way we can also check is both strings are anagram or not. And another method is also there, method 2. So in method 2, steps are firstly check, firstly convert both strings and length, those are same, two are same, otherwise, and create a map for that. Using this we can also check it is anagram or not. Like we have a string 1 is like hello. So here we create a map like H is 1 times, E is 1 times, and L is 2 times, and O is also 1 times. O is 1 times. So we create a map, string 1, and we have a string 2 is also there. So we have to compare first index of value in that way. So I is there or not. If L is there in the object or map, so we can decremented by 1, otherwise decremented like 1 is here 1 time, so L value is 2 times, so it is decremented by 1. Again L is there, so decremented value to 0. Then E value is 1, so decremented by 1, so E value is 0. So when object all key values are 0, that means it is a anagram. So write that code. Firstly, I think we need to comment this code. Function check anagram str1 str2. So firstly let new str1 equals to str1 dot to lowercase, and let new str2 equals to str2 dot to lowercase. And so firstly we check a length for those strings. If it is not equals, it returns false. If new str1 is not equals to new str2 length is not equals to return false. Now we create one variable counter like a object. So because we have to need to create a one map for the first string, let's start a loop for let letters of new string 1. So counter of letters is equals to counter of letters. So because first time counter of letters is because counter value is blank, so that means it gives a undefined. So fixing that problem, we generate by default value to 0. If value is undefined, then it makes 0. So after that, if value is already there, so then we first time letters are available, then we incremented by 1. So here plus 1. Okay, and let me check console.log counter console.log counter. By default we set a false. Okay, let's check. Check anagram. So here we get H is 1 times, E is 1 times, L is 2 times, and O is 1 times. So we get a maps for string 1. Now for go to string 2. So we create another for loop for string 2 for let items of new str2. So firstly we check if counter of items is not there. Counter of items is not there. return false. Otherwise, counters of items value is decremented by 1. Counters of items decremented by 1 and return true. So let me check. Mobile ELIMB O. So mobile to this is an anagram one. Let's check. Oh, it does not save. So it is true. Here we add 1A, then it is false. Thanks for watching.